Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Basic Biology of Life. So again, today we are going to discuss some very important questions related to the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So we'll be basically discussing total 10 questions related to the chapter that have been asked in the Neet previous year. So first question is apomictic embryos in citrus arise from diploid egg, synergids, maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule, antipodal cells. Now, if you can see in citrus apomictic embryos, they are developed from maternal sporophytic tissue which is present in the ovule. So, as you know, that apomixis is actually a type of asexual reproduction which mimics the sexual reproduction. So, in this case, those embryos are arising from maternal sporophytic tissue, so your correct answer will be C. What is common between vegetative reproduction and apomixis? So just now, as we have discussed, both are types of asexual reproduction, right? So apomixis is also asexual reproduction which is mimicking the sexual reproduction. So option A will be correct. Both will produce progeny which is identical to the parent plant. In which of the following pollination is autogamous? Autogamous means basically self pollination. So it is geitonogamy, xenogamy, chesmogamy, or clistogamy. Now, autogamy, as I have told you, is defined as the fertilization of the flower by its own pollen, that is self pollination. And clistogamy will occur in those plants which never open. So, if since they are not opening, that means only self pollination is possible. So, in this case, the correct answer will be D, and this is occurring in flowers like Commelina, Oxalis, Voila. Fourth, filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of suspensor, synergid, egg, or endosperm. Now, filiform apparatus is present in the synergids, which is guiding the pollen tube. Basically, these are finger-like projections in the cytoplasm of the synergid. So, correct answer will be C, synergid. Fifth, an aggregate fruit is one which develops from complete inflorescence, multicapillary superior ovary, multicapillary syncarpus gynoecium, multicapillary apocarpus gynoecium. Now, aggregate fruits like strawberries, custard apple, etc., they develop from multicapillary apocarpus gynoecium. Right? So here correct option will be D. Sixth question is asking pollen tablets are available in the market. Why we are using the pollen tablets? For supplementing food, ex situ conservation, in vitro fertilization, or for breeding programs. Obviously, if you are taking those pollen tablets, they will be we are actually using them as a supplement to food because they are quite rich in the nutrients. So right here the correct option will be A for supplementing the food. Seventh question, the coconut water from tender coconut represents endosperm, fleshy mesocarp, free nuclear proembryo, or free nuclear endosperm. So in this case, the correct option is D. Endosperm is actually, in this case, uh, arise from the pre-endosperm nucleus, right? In which nucleus divides continuously without cell wall formation. So endosperm is initially in its nuclear phase suspended within the coconut water, and as the development continues, cellular layers of endosperm will also develop. That becomes the edible coconut flesh. So coconut water from the tender coconut represents the free nuclear endosperm. Now, eighth question is pollination in water hyacinth and water lilies brought about by the agency of. Now, even though these are water plants, but you can see I've pasted a picture of water hyacinth. You can see how lovely, brightly colored it flowers are. So, in this case, even in case of water lily, these are pollinated by winds or insect, right? So, correct option will be D. Ninth question: attractants and rewards are required for. So options are anemophily, which is wind pollination, entomophily, which is insect pollination, hydrophily is water pollination, and clistogamy, as we know. In this case, we are referring to the flowers, right, which are closed. So attractants and rewards play a vital role in the pollination process. Right, attractant refers to flower color and fragrance that attracts the insects like bees, wasps, butterflies, etc. So basically, plants are providing them with rewards like nectar and pollen grains so that they can help in the pollination process. So it will be entomophily. Last question, the egg apparatus is made up of two dash and one dash at the dash end of the embryo sac. Now we know, as you can see in the diagram also, egg apparatus is made up of two synergid cells, one egg cell, and where it is located towards the micropilar end of the embryo sac. So here correct option will be synergids, egg cell, micropilar end. So D option is correct. Thank you and have a nice day.